पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णुरते कामेन कामेन परजन्यो वर्षितफलवत्यो ओम नमस्ते स्वागतम सुप्रभातम
Om Namo Namah. A very warm welcome to today's special assembly. I am Satyam and joining my co-anchor Avinesh Bhrataji.
Good morning everyone. It's a bright and beautiful day. We are thrilled to be here with you all to talk about something super important like punctuality.
And guys, our topic is the importance of punctuality. You are even here. Time and tide wait for no man. So let's check how much this thought is true. A good day starts with a good thought. So here comes Sarthak Bhrataji with the thought of the day.
Om Namo Namah. Today's thought of the day is punctuality is not just about being on time. It's about respecting our own time and times of others. I repeat my thought. Punctuality is not just about being on time. It's about respecting our own time and times of others. Thank you. A wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Sarthak Bhrataji.
To quickly catch up what is happening around in the world, here comes Abhijay and Rudra Bhrataji with their today's burning news headlines.
Om Namo Namah. Today's burning news headlines are some national news. India with 1 billion people created a huge market. Supreme Court seeks a central reply on PIL challenging validity of selection. Some sports news. CSK needs to be at the pulse of firepower. India drops sports in 2030 by CVJ bill.
Now some international news. Australia and New Zealand leaders call for immediate Gaza ceasefire. SpaceX crew 10 astronauts returned safely from ISS after 5-month mission. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Thank you Abhijay and Rudra Bhrataji.
Now, to go deeper in our topic, here comes Satya and Anshuman Bhrataji with their wonderful speech.
Om Namo Namah. Today I want to talk about something that might seem small but have a huge impact on our lives. Punctuality. What does punctuality mean? It simply means being on time, doing things at the right moment. Imagine, you have a bus to catch for a school trip. If you were 5 minutes late, the bus might leave without you and you would miss the fun. Your friends would be disappointed. Being punctual also shows that you respect to others. When you are on time for an appointment or a meeting, you can tell to others that the time is more valuable for you.
Punctuality builds good habit. When you are punctual, you are more disciplined, reliable and organized. Teachers, parents and friends will more trust on you because they know they can count on you. Think about your daily routine. Waking up on time, going school on time, submitting your homework, going to bed on time. These are small acts of punctuality give you a stress-free life. So from now, let's all of us try to be punctual and do all our work on time. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you Anshuman and Satya Bhrataji.
Now, to check your general knowledge, here comes Gautam Bhrataji with their tricky GK questions.
Om Namo Namah. Today I am present here with some GK questions. And my first question is, who painted Mona Lisa painting? Yes, you all are correct. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. And my second question is, which is the biggest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Yes, you all are correct. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. And my third question is, who wrote Vande Mataram? No, you all are correct, incorrect. And guesses? Yes, Bhrataji. Yes, you are correct. The correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And my last question is, who wrote National Anthem? Yes, you all are correct. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you and have a grateful day ahead.
Bharataji for your tricky JK question.
Now, to know more about our topic, here comes Shresth Bhrataji with their interesting facts.
Om Namah Namah. There are some interesting facts about punctuality. Fact number 1. Do you know that in Japan, if trains late for a few seconds, they very unusual and even warned from the train company that they have value of punctuality. Fact number 2. Studies have shown who are consistently punctual often perform well academically because you are more reliable. Fact number 3. Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is very strong advocate of punctuality. Benjamin Franklin said once, "You lost time is never found again." My last fact is punctuality. Punctuality helps to reduce stress because you are more reliable. Thank you. I have knowledge for that.
Thank you, Shresth Bharataji, for your amazing facts.
Now, to add a new word in our vocabulary, here comes Aryan Bhrataji with the word of the day.
Om Namo. Today I am standing in front of you with today's word of the day. So the word of the day is prompt. Prompt. Meaning of the word is to do any work on time. Example sentence: the students were prompt in submitting their assignments. So try to be prompt means to on time and quick. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Aryan Bharataji, to add a new word in our vocabulary. From today onwards, we will try to be prompt.
Now, and that brings that end of our assembly. We hope you will learn more about punctuality and make this key aspect in your everyday life.
From today onwards, we will try to be punctual with you all. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you everyone for your active participation. Have a wonderful and punctual day ahead. Thank you.
Now I request Pracharya ji to